If you need to edit your organization name in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your company or team name quickly and correctly. This is helpful if your business has rebranded, your team name has changed, or you simply want your Calendly account to look more professional and accurate. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has admin access, because the organization name can only be changed from the right permission level. Once you're inside Calendly, look for the admin center. This is where the organization level settings are managed, so that's the place you want to go next. After you open the admin center, find the branding section. Calendly groups identity-related settings here, including the display details for your organization. In the branding area, look for the organization name field. This is the exact setting that controls the name associated with your team or company inside Calendly. Now click into the organization name field and type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double check spelling, capitalization, and any spacing, because this is the name people may see when interacting with your scheduling setup. If your business recently changed names, make sure the update matches your current branding everywhere else too. Once the new organization name is entered, click Save. Saving is important because the change won't apply until you confirm it. After you save, Calendly will update the organization name tied to your account settings. It's also important to understand the difference between your organization name and your personal name in Calendly. The organization name represents your team, company, or brand, while your personal name represents the individual account user. So, if you're trying to update how your business appears, make sure you're changing the organization field and not your personal profile name. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're still in the admin center and that you have the proper permissions. In some accounts, only admins can make branding changes. If needed, log out and sign back in with the correct account. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit the organization name in Calendly. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can make your scheduling page and account branding look much cleaner and more professional. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Calendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.